Okay, so... Hi! Palabas na kami ng building. Okay? It's for my friend. Could you hold it for me, please? Wait lang, itour mo siya muna.
Ay, my boo!
Thanks!
Mga students. Kanino ba tong friend na ito? Ayan, palabas na kami ng Eduk Building. Tapos, ayun yung parang court na hindi ko alam kung anong tawag. May event ata doon. Tapos, yun yung Eng Building. Ayan na si Mami! Welcome to Car Park!
Okay, so now, yan, mga naglalaro, nutrition something. Ayun, yung building namin. And then, tabing building is yung Eng Building. And this is yung car park na maraming food chains, maraming pagkain. And, ayun, yung natatakpan ng puno doon. Yung Cancer Institute. God, may pagka-useless yung video. But anyway, go on. Yan, bean hoppers, coffee, and Goldilocks. And parang mall school namin, no? May card lang to go. Higher Grants. And McDonald's. Wait, di ba bibili tayo ng food? Bibili muna tayo ng food. Okay, McDonald's. Mahiyain siya na kay McDonald's. Yung car park na maraming kainan. Papasok kami sa loob ng car park. Napakainit. Magic, quickly. Favorite ko yan, quickly. Quickly. Later Labs. Ersao, Papa whatever. Scotch, Dunkin' Donuts. Gulong hair ko, nagulo. Rice in a box. Rice in a box. So, dito kami, bibili na food. Okay? So, car parks.
Sila lang ba nagkakain?
Okay. Ito na, UST Hospital.
Si Brave. Ayaw wala. Friends.
Kaya mo buksan?
Masarap na pagkain namin. Ano mo buksan mo? C2. Okay, buksan mo. Hindi ko kaya eh. Okay, so napakatagal namin maghintay ng food namin. Napakatagal namin.